Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we make tech simple and fun. Ever accidentally archived an email in Gmail and wondered where it went? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find those elusive archived emails on Gmail website. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account in your favorite web browser. Make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you are in your inbox, don't panic if you don't see an archive folder. Gmail handles archived emails a little bit differently. Simply click on All Mail. If you don't see All Mail, click on More to expand the list of labels. All Mail contains all of your emails, including those you have archived. You can scroll through the list to find your archived emails. Alternatively, you can use the search bar at the top. If you remember any details from the archived emails like sender or keyword, type it in the search bar and hit enter. Your archived emails should appear in the search results. Another tip, if you know the email is from a specific person, you can type from and write the email address in search bar to narrow it down. And that's it, you have successfully found your archived emails on Gmail website. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more handy tech tutorials. Got any questions or need further tips? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!